Who would have thought that XRP Ripple would change the market for cryptocurrencies so much? Even though it's all very hard to understand, the US is putting $20 trillion into XRP Ripple to drive up its price to $154. That sounds good, doesn't it? This kind of positive sign has never been seen before. You'll be amazed by that video for sure. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene, within the last year, the Bitcoin market has grown a great deal because of investments from big businesses and the hope for better rules and regulations. XRP, Ripple's own cryptocurrency, has stuck out among the many digital assets that have benefited from this rise even more so than Bitcoin and Ethereum. The current rise in the cryptocurrency market, according to Forbes, is due to more people thinking that the US government is becoming more open to cryptocurrencies, which would make it easier for them to grow. The digital currency XRP was created by Ripple Labs with the main goal of making foreign payments quick and cheap. Bitcoin is meant to be an autonomous digital currency. XRP, on the other hand, works in a semi-centralized system that is closely connected to banks and other financial institutions. Ripple wants to use XRP to connect different fiat currencies in a way that is efficient and allows for real-time gross settlement, currency exchange, and transfer. The US Securities and Exchange Commission used to be known for being very strict about digital assets, but now it seems to be taking a more moderate line. This change could make investors more confident and lead to more people using XRP and other cryptocurrency. A big event coming up soon that could have an even bigger effect on XRP's price is the upcoming US presidential election. Arthur Hayes, one of the founders of the BitMEX exchange, thinks that the election could be very important for the Bitcoin market. Hayes writes in great detail on his blog that a lot of linked things related to the election could cause the price of XRP and other digital assets to go up a lot. Hayes' main point is that the possible drop in the value of the Japanese yen will force the US, Japan, and China to step in. Hayes says that as part of its economic plan, the Biden administration might make it easier for people to buy dollars because the yen is weakening. Hayes says that if the Federal Reserve prints more dollars to make up for the weak yen, it could bring a lot of new money into the banking system. With more money available and rules that are friendlier to cryptocurrencies, XRP and other digital assets could really go up in value. The forecast is very high. Hayes thinks that more dollars and yuan will be available, which will drive up the price of Bitcoin to $1 million and possibly even $20 trillion in market value. Such a situation would definitely have a big positive effect on XRP as well, because it would make the coin market more optimistic in general. What does it have to do with XRP, though? Ripple has teamed up with many of the world's biggest banks to form relationships. Ripple's technology is being tested by banks like Santander, American Express, and Standard Chartered, or it has already been added to their systems. These agreements not only prove that Ripple's technology works, but they also make XRP more valuable and easy to use. Ripple's on-demand liquidity service also uses XRP to provide real-time liquidity for cross-border trades, so accounts don't need to be pre-funded. As more people use this service, it strengthens XRP's position in the global banking ecosystem. The amount of money in question clearly has the potential to have a big effect on the price of XRP Ripple. But how much do we want to pay? What would happen to our favorite coin if we had $20 trillion? There is an answer to this question that will blow your mind, trust me. Top analyst Crypto Bull has found a pattern in the charts that could cause XRP's price to skyrocket, possibly hitting an unbelievable $154. This has made the cryptocurrency market very excited. Crypto Bull recently did an analysis that looked at past trends and chart patterns that show XRP could be about to go through a huge upswing, starting positive feelings despite its recent poor performance. The success of XRP has been disappointing since October 2023, with only a 4% rise. This is very different from other major coins, which saw big gains during the same time period. There has been a huge rise in the prices of Bitcoin 154%, Ethereum 124%, and Solana 690%. 2 months ago, the Crypto Basic said that over the past year, up to 61% of the top 100 crypto assets had done better than XRP. On the other hand, trends from the past show that XRP might be about to make a big turnaround, like its huge rally in 2017 when it beat the market by 48,823%. Crypto Bull's research finds similarities between the way the market is now and how it was in 2014 and 2018. With a 192,000% rise in just over 4 years, XRP went from being worth less than a cent in early 2014 to a high point of $3.84 for January 2018. A significant pattern seen during this time was the creation of an ascending, broadening wedge on the monthly chart. This pattern was marked by higher highs and higher lows. Even though this pattern is usually bearish, it happened before XRP's record rise. Crypto Bull says that this trend has been seen again in XRP since its price dropped to 11 cents in March 2020. Based on this trend from the past, The analyst thinks there might be a price spike that could send XRP to a crazy goal of $154. If this goal is met, the price of XRP would rise by 139,900%, bringing its market value to $8.5 trillion given that its supply stays the same. I'm sure you weren't ready for something so big. But wait, things are going to get even more interesting soon. Let's talk about the upcoming US election. Trump could be the main reason why XRP Ripple goes through the roof and above $100. You won't want to miss this, trust me. A supporter of Donald Trump recently said something bold about XRP at a campaign gathering in the South Bronx, New York. Someone in the crowded area held up a sign that said XRP is not a security. This act of support was caught on tape by Fox Business News and shared on social media by Craig Britton, an XRP fan from the US. Since the decision was made almost a year ago, this bold statement at Trump's campaign gathering seems out of place. Still, it's important to note that Trump's campaign just recently joined the crypto wave, which means that gifts in cryptocurrencies like XRP are now welcome. The way Trump has talked about it has been very clear. If he wins again, he promises to allow Bitcoin transfers. He has also made it seem like the administration wants to avoid strict crypto regulations. This is very different from how the Biden administration was seen as being hostile to the business. The XRP supporters' choice to show off this sign could be seen as a thank you for Trump's support for cryptocurrencies. By making the court's decision public, the person may have been trying to show that Trump supports the cryptocurrency world. Additionally, it could have been a rallying cry to bring attention to Ripple's legal battle with the SEC, a fight that has huge effects for the whole crypto ecosystem. Many people in the cryptocurrency community see Trump's change of heart towards supporting and accepting cryptocurrencies as a good step forward. His administration's supposed dedication to creating a good regulatory environment could be a sign that the business will grow and mature. The crypto world is still changing, and people are still guessing and watching to see how Trump's crypto stance will affect the upcoming presidential race. Overall, the XRP sign that was raised high during Trump's gathering is a strong representation of how politics and cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more connected, a relationship that will have a big impact on the future of both in the days to come. As if everything wasn't already ready for an exciting crypto battle, get ready for a new turn in the story. Partners of XRP Ripple have stepped in to help, which has caused the price of the cryptocurrency to go up. There is no doubt that the world of digital assets is going through huge changes, and XRP Ripple is at the front of this revolution. Stay tuned as we go into more detail about the drama that is happening and figure out how these key partners will affect the future of XRP and Ripple. The excitement about the launch of exchange-traded funds has hit a fever pitch in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies. According to new information, financial institutions like Standard Chartered think that an XRP ETF will be released by 2025. This could be a huge deal for crypto buyers all over the world. Let's look at the newest events and what they mean for the market. ETFs are getting a lot of attention, and XRP might be the next cryptocurrency to get its own ETF, doing what Ethereum did. Standard Chartered, a major global bank, has added to this rumor by saying that XRP, which is often praised as a competitive force in cross-border payments, would make a good addition to Solana as an ETF. Analysts at the bank think that approving an XRP ETF could not only raise the value of the cryptocurrency on the market, but also bring in new institutional buyers. But what's the big deal about ETFs? Why are they so important for XRP Ripple? To put it simply, ETFs make it easy and legal for investors to gain exposure to cryptocurrencies like XRP without actually holding the base assets. ETFs can possibly increase the number of investors in XRP and make the market more liquid by making it easier for both institutional and individual investors to get in. This could make the price of XRP more stable and improve the health of the market as a whole. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? Do you think XRP Ripple will go up? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. Would be interested to know. This video has now come to an end.